Hey besties, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Joining as a member, membership gives you access to videos firsthand, and videos that would never make it to the public is only going to be on my members only content. Guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to make a patch pocket. In my previous video I showed you guys how to make a cargo pocket, which was easy. Now this is even the easiest tutorial you're going to get for this patch pocket, and I'm going to show you guys how to cut and sew it in this video. Let's get into it. So guys, for this you're going to need a fabric that is 5 inches by 5 inches. So you need 2 pieces. 2 pieces are what you're going to need for one pocket. 2 pieces for one pocket. So what we're going to do now is we're going to start our measurements. So from the bottom right here, we're going to go up by 1/2 inch, and here by 1/2 inch. And then before that, we're going to find the center of this fabric. Now that I've marked it, I'm going to go up by 1/2 inch and 1/2 inch. And then you're going to connect it using a V slant. Now you can also do it without having to do this, so just go through the normal process. You don't need to create this design. I just like this design. And then we're going to cut it out. Now once this is cut, you're going to place it right sides facing each other, and then you're going to sew it all around, but you're going to leave a space at the top to turn it inside out from. Now if you'd like a flap with it, you're going to take a fabric that is also 5 inches by 5 inches and fold it into two, just like this. You can choose to create that curve as well, that V shape at the bottom right here, but if you don't want it, just sew it all around and then leave a space to turn it inside out from. So you can easily take your pattern right here, place it on it, and use it to cut it out. So with that, you just sew all around, then leave this place open so that you can turn it inside out from. So guys, this is what it looks like after sewing. I've sewn all the corners and I've sewn it here as well. This place is open. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it inside out, and once you turn it inside out, it's going to look like this. So can you see? This is what it's going to look like, and this is the cover, the flap basically. This is what it looks like. Now for the flap, you're going to fold it in by 1/2 inch, since that's the sewing allowance that we used. So fold it in, and then you're going to sew it on the open edge, sew it closed. So sew it, and then for this you're going to fold it in by 1/2 inch. And they're also going to sew it closed. And guys, can you see what it looks like? I have put the patch pocket on the shorts right here, and I have sewn it along the 3 corners. So the 2 straight sides and the V at the bottom, I've put it right there, and up I've put the flap as well, about 1/2 inch from where the main pocket is. So you're going to make it cover your patch pocket very well. So this is what it looks like in my own case. I love how it turned out. It turned out beautiful. It turned out amazing. And I hope you guys loved it. If you try it out, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram at Lara Savage Creations. I would love to showcase your work with all my growing followers, and even here on YouTube. Guys, that's all I have for this amazing video. Until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon, or night, wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.